In this video, I'm gonna discuss all about Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is all about right triangle. We will only use it in a right triangle and not in a different kinds of triangle. So we have here a right triangle LEO. So let me teach you the parts of a right triangle. First, we have a hypotenuse. Second, base. And the third is height. So the hypotenuse is the longest side among the sides of a right triangle. In the base is the horizontal one, and base is considered as the shortest side among the sides. And this one is what we call the height. So based on Pythagorean theorem, we will find out what is the value of hypotenuse in this kind of formula. So hypotenuse squared is equal to base squared plus height squared. C represents the hypotenuse and A represents the base, while the B represents the height. So C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. We have here three examples and we need to find out the value of C, A, B. First, the given is A is equal to 7, B is equal to 10, and we will find out the value of C. Second, B is equal to 12, C is equal to 25, and we also need to find the value of A. And the third one, C is equal to 10, A is equal to 3, and we also need to find out what's the value of B. So this is the first example. The given is A is equal to 7, B is equal to 10, and we will find out what's the value of C. So based on the Pythagorean theorem, we can find the hypotenuse in this formula. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So in our first example, it has already the given A and B, so we just need to substitute. So C squared is equal to 7 squared, which is the A, plus 10 squared, which is the B. So C squared is equal to 49 and plus 100, because 7 times 7 is equal to 49 and 10 times 10 is equal to 100. Next, C squared is equal to 149. So we need to find the C, and so we cannot find the C if there's exponent here, so we need to cancel it by using a square root. So we need to square both sides. So C is equal to now square root of 149. Next, we have here the second example. The given is B is equal to 12, C is equal to 25, and we need to find out the value of A. According to Pythagorean theorem, C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So the variable we need to find is A, so we need to transpose the B. So we will now use the formula C squared minus B squared is equal to A squared. The value of B and C is already given, so we just need to substitute. So 25 squared minus 12 squared is equal to A squared. 25 times 25 is equal to 625 minus 12 times 12 is equal to 144. So 625 minus 144 is equal to A squared. 625 minus 144 is equal to 481 is equal to A squared. So we are finding A, so we need to square both sides so we can cancel the exponent. So the square root of A squared is equal to A. So now we have the answer, square root of 481. So now this is our last example. So the given is C is equal to 10, A is equal to 3, and we need to find out the value of B. So now we are finding the value of B, so we need to transpose the A squared in the formula. So we will now use C squared minus A squared is equal to B squared. So In the given, we already have the value of c and a. So we just need to substitute. 10 squared minus 3 squared is equal to b squared. So 10 times 10 is equal to 100 minus 3 times 3 equal to 9 is equal to b squared. Now, we need to square both sides so we can cancel the exponent. So b is equal to square root of 99. I hope you learned a lot about my topic, which is the Pythagorean theorem. So always remember that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So bye-bye. Thank you.